Today is a very special day. It is Republic Day of India, a day that reminds us of freedom, values, and unity. India is not just a country, it is our home, a land full of stories, culture, and love. From Bhangra in Punjab to Garba in Gujarat, from the south to Bengal, India shines in many colors. We speak different languages, we eat different food, but our hearts beat together as one India. Our Constitution teaches us to be kind, to be equal, and to respect everyone. These values make India strong. Today we are children, but tomorrow we can be the builders of our nation. With education, honesty, and love, we promise to respect our culture, protect our country, and spread happiness everywhere. Happy Republic Day! Jai Hind, Jai Bharat!